In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use messages on LinkedIn. Let's start with a quick look at how messaging works when you're not connected to someone. Open LinkedIn, search for a person you don't know, and tap their profile. You'll see a message button, but when you tap it, LinkedIn will prompt you to upgrade to LinkedIn Premium. That's because messaging people you're not connected with uses InMail, a premium feature. So if the person isn't a first-degree connection, you'll either need a premium subscription with InMail credits, or you'll need to become connected before you can message them for free. Now here's how it works when you are connected. From the app, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon, then tap Connections. This shows the list of people you're already connected with. Choose anyone from that list, and on their profile, you'll see the paper plane icon or the message button. Tap that, write your message, and send. Because this person is a first-degree connection, your message goes through instantly without any upgrade required. The key takeaway is simple. You can message your connections for free, but to message people you're not connected with, LinkedIn may require premium. If you don't plan to use premium, the best approach is to connect first. Send a thoughtful connection request, wait for them to accept, and then follow up with your message right from their profile or from your inbox. A few quick tips to keep your messages effective. Before you type, look for the first, second, or third label near someone's name. First means you're connected and can message right away. Keep your message short, clear, and relevant to why you're reaching out. If you're contacting someone new, briefly introduce yourself and explain your purpose. And remember, LinkedIn is a professional space, so keep your tone polite and focused. If you tap message and see a lock icon, an upgrade prompt, or a note about InMail, that's LinkedIn telling you the person isn't a first-degree connection. In that case, either connect first or consider whether premium makes sense for your needs. That's it. Use connections to message for free and use premium only if you need to reach people outside your network. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.